Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue north on Interstate 85 in Gwinnett County, Georgia. We begin at mile 120 near the Hamilton Mill Parkway exit. Here we enter Barrow County in the city of Braselton. The Braselton city limits actually extend partially into 4 different counties: Barrow, Gwinnett, Hall, and Jackson. Braselton has a population of 10,234 as of 2016. Exit 126 is in Braselton but leads to Winder, the county seat of Barrow County, a few miles to the south. We stopped here for a lunch break, discovering a new burger place that we don't have in Louisiana for some reason. Please, Wayback Burgers, come to the New Orleans area. There's plenty of room for competition. The first permanent settlement at Braselton was made in 1884. The town is named after William Harrison Braselton, a poor dirt farmer who married Susan Hosh, the daughter of a rich plantation owner. Braselton built a home on 786 acres of land he purchased north of the Hosh plantation. The land he purchased was later called Braselton. The Georgia General Assembly incorporated Braselton as a town in 1916. At the Mulberry River, we cross into Jackson County while still remaining in the city of Braselton. Jackson County has an estimated population of 64,615. We exit again here to fill up the tank and get some coffee. We enter the city of Jefferson, Georgia, the county seat of Jackson County. Jefferson has an estimated population of 10,486. Jefferson was founded in 1800. That same year, the seat of Jackson County was transferred to Jefferson from Clarksboro. Jefferson was incorporated as a town in 1806 and as a city in 1896. The city was named after Thomas Jefferson. We conclude today's video at exit 137. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when new videos come out, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.